Okay. So like you could see the screen, yeah, isn't it? So it's the introduction to Consphere. So we are overall. So could you see the slide?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so I'm just zooming it out. So mainly we are a cloud company. ERP is a cloud
Right.
company, isn't it?
Huh.
So what happens is like our use case. Currently, we are following our use case as pharma trace, food tracking, agriculture supply chain. So condition monitoring is here sensor that is used for tracking those sensor based like humidity change, pressure change, light reaction with the product, and so like so this is like condition monitoring is a sensor which is attached with the running vehicles. Okay.
Right.
So this is what we do is like we have utility management. Utility management in the sense like batch allotment, batch ID allotment, serialization. So it was warehouse management, and document management is all about certifications, quality check, assigning authors. So we are overall an enterprise resource planner, ERP. So these all things comes under ERP. Okay.
Okay.
And this is what like and we have a cloud infrastructure that is like a data center like a server type of thing. So currently we are till enterprise resource planner. So like people try to ask like what is a business model. Yes, business
Huh.
model. So this is what like we have kept on the first 10 page. You shall be getting everything. So Conspire ERP provides producer, manufacturer, distributor, and suppliers multi-tenancy on the same platform. So when it comes to multi-tenancy, it is like ERP. It is called ERP then. Okay. So we have a producer manufacturer on the same platform. So we have four different logins. Okay.
Okay.
So so producer is somewhere like raw material company, manufacturer is somewhere who converts raw material into finalized product. Distributor is someone like a wholesaler, big bazaar who has structured wholesaler who has like around 100 to 200 shops, stores throughout India. So big bazaar in India. So we have clients over the world, such distributors, such manufacturer. Like if I take you example of producer, that is Mango company. So mango is like sent to Mexico, US. With the season it differs, isn't it?
Yeah.
And manufacturers like fruity pulp. So similar companies like mango drinks based company throughout the world. So they have we have a
Correct.
we have a suppliers in between them. So these are four people that came into the picture, isn't it?
Right.
And how SAS carries four different login. So what happens is like producer is a raw material company. If I give you example of milk, Denmark milk. So milk is transported to somewhere Amul in order to get butter, cheese, or milk related product. So milk is
Right.
transported to so producer either transport milk to Amul milk or directly to Big Bazaar to directly sell it as a raw milk, isn't it? In a packet form.
Yeah.
So producer has two roles. They would only deliver it, fulfill the order, and then distributor has two roles. They would be receiving the order either from as a finalized product from some Amul as a cheese, or milk from directly raw material company, isn't it? So producer would send it, distributor would gain it, and manufacturer would get it and send it, get it raw material from the producer and would convert into finalized product and then send it to um, a big bazaar, isn't it? So this is the workflow. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how, this is all written here. And who is like, see what happens is like when you involve, my question is like I'm giving you just a bit of brainstorming. Like what happens is like when we provide this software only to what producer would do is like they would only send the material. So they may be just
Hmm.
sending material one to one just to distributor, not to manufacturer, isn't it?
Yeah.
And if we give the software one of the login, if we make like major party, whom should we approach out of four people, isn't it? This should be approach of some software. So when we go to producer, they have only one to one contact in case. So things does
Hmm.
not work here. if we go to distributor, big bazaar, so they might be having only one-to-one contact just with the fruit, just with the manufacturer, not with the producer. Yes.
Yeah.
So it is better if we move to manufacturer, because they are even billion-dollar also. Like Amul Milk, they are billion-dollar, isn't it? Those manufacturers.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
so our major point in manufacturer is who is like manufacturer, because their business are in million and billion valuation. Normally producer and distributor, big bazaar may not be billion-dollar, but someone who establishes his or industry are normally billion-dollar. So manufacturer is someone who is involving everyone. They require raw material, they require distributor in order to make finalized products departure. Yeah. And in between that, they require suppliers. So manufacturer is a person who requires every division. Yes.
Huh?
So
Yeah.
this is why we have chosen manufacturer as our main point of contact for softwares. And the revenue model is like, we have all the logins available, and then we provide them like 1 month of trial. Since we are a software company, we need to provide them 1 month of trial, 2 month of trial, and based on that we have charging. So what we have kept is like, if we shift complete pressure on manufacturer based on the revenue. Yeah. So it what happens is like, they get pressurized. So for that what we have done is like, in our software we have a certification. So suppliers need to be certified by supplier company, isn't it? The shipping company
Yeah.
need to.
Yeah.
So they have some document, and then document management. So in distributor need to have like batch ID, where the product would, where the ship would be aligned, what is the condition with the ship that is coming to us. So they have also one document like inventory management on their software. Like on the side of distributor, they have inventory management. On the side of supplier, they have document management, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then on the side of producer, they have also document management. Like they make the inventory, like which ship should be coming to which product ID, isn't it? Which warehouse. So what we have done is like, we have kept somewhere like ERP. We kept ERP, the name ERP, because they are getting there something of inventory management, document management, and then warehouse management and suppliers. So if, and then manufacturer is having either manufacturer is either fulfilling someone's demand, that is warehouse management, or asking product from raw materials. So manufacturer is getting double feature, suppliers are getting one feature, distributor is getting one different features, producer is getting some different feature. So overall they have something on their software. So what we decided finally is like, we decided to break this revenue into four people, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
With manufacturer carrying more weightage, because manufacturer is having billion-dollar, and they have lots of things going on, like processing within the company, like assigning author for validating the certificates, isn't it, of the
Mhm.
suppliers and everything. So this is like our revenue model, and this is the way, like it's I showed you with some example. So, and see, we have a client of around 20 million. We have completely split throughout the world. We have the all market research available on our data sheet, and our valuation is dollar 20 billion. And we
Okay.
are a B2B company. So it works like producer to manufacturer, then manufacturer to distributor to suppliers. Like it may be
Right.
like producer has sent to raw material to manufacturer, manufacturer sent to distributor, and something
Mhm.
is producer directly sent to distributor and suppliers. So we have 39 plus different packaging accessibility, 3000 plus continental routes. We have all the shipping
Mhm.
routes available with us, 200 plus countries, 44 sectors. We cover 44 sectors like jute, pharma trace, milk, honey, beef, pork, so everything's okay. And we have we have different intelligence, business in graph analytical section also available. So these are our like shortlisted client for producer. Those are raw material companies. You could see like Venki, egg company, milk company, Pfizer, Decra, Serum Institute. So the Serum Institute. What they do is like, they are a medicine company. We connect them to the hospitals, or somewhere like Pharmacy, NetMeds. They are the distributor, isn't it?
Right.
So either hospital, or hospital like Apollo, which has 10 to 20 hospitals. So this is the way connectivity works for medicine. And for milk, I give you the example of milk, that is food. And for agriculture, I gave you the example of mango, isn't it?
Right, yeah.
So we have the clients, we have the market. So go to strategies like this is like what happens like they don't have manufacturer, producer, distributor, suppliers on the same platform. What happens like when they are on the same platform, you need to just make an order and then assign the distributor, assign the supplier. Yes, and things
Yeah.
start working much faster. So they are on the same
So,
platform.
okay, I think I get the product. Just tell me a couple of things. What are the geographies that you are servicing right now?
Sorry, what are the
What are the geographies that you are servicing right now?
job rupees?
Yeah.
Okay, so currently see it's like 3,000 per annum. Yeah, see, this is like 3,000 per annum to manufacture. So since like we are a beginning, so we got like a few clients which were like a distributor. So they were distributors. So they were some aggregator. Okay.
No, so which are the geographies that these clients are located in? That is what I'm asking.
So like you are putting some job. Sorry,
Geography is geography.
geography. Okay, geography. Okay, so like currently we are in Asian region and Germany region for wine industry, industry like they have grapes, wineries. So for wine industry we are on Germany. For and in Indian side we are like Asian jute for Bangladesh. So we are on Indian location. We are on Asian location. We are completely distributed, and then we are in our next is Mexico. Mexico is like for agriculture product or beef, pork. Okay, so currently
Huh.
we are available in three parts. Germany for wine industry, and then beef pork for Mexico, and then beef pork like milk related. They are like they are the ranked one in agriculture sector, in food sector, and then for Indian Asian market for pharma trace, agriculture, food, all this. Okay, so we have all three products available.
Uh, okay, understood that. Also, what is your contract like? It's a 1 year contract, yeah? Renewal is every year.
Yes, currently what we have done is like we are telling them to come for 1 month, use it for infinite transaction, and then we used to like in software we need to put some that some this support engineer, because we are software, we are for tenancy. So we normally ask them with some 3 months of advance and minimum stay of 6 months, and then
Okay.
we have software engineer which who keeps working, so things are better. Like our software is really great. If I show you the demo, you shall be getting. So it is just like I was giving you like just introduction. So these are our spread over the this is our graph. Okay, real graph which is kept as a background. So you shall be getting like all these things coming on our software. Okay, so now I'm showing you the video. So are you ready? Like we have already recorded some video. So so could you get it? Like are you looking, are you getting my screen?
Yes.
So see, whatever we told, like you shall be finding everything here. So we have around 125 plus features available on every login. And then last is like we have kept you for login also. So it's like online login. So when you get into online, so see these are the online login. So what happens is like sometime while online it may fail, isn't it? So we have already recorded something. So here see like all this is for manufacturers. You see like we enter into manufacturer, so manufacturer could either make order or could fulfill order, that we told, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So see he has a product ID which is a product ID. So so if you see on the screen like they have product ID. So my question is like based on warehousing. So this is the warehousing which we have created. So Andrene Glass Vanities. So it is a Germany based company. Okay, wine company. So now I need to see like in my order whether I have created Andrene Glass Wineries or not. So if this warehouse is not there, if this warehouse is not there, what I need to do is like I need to create a warehouse, isn't it? So I could either order, I could, if I order, like I could order from a raw material company based on sanitizer. So this is what everything is working. So I'm currently ordering, I'm creating a new product. So what happens is like I'm creating for supplier one, so category 3, GTI number I kept something. So product ID is like product name is like wine. So this is warehousing providing. So brand name is like if I give like brand name is like if I keep like ITC. So unit of packaging is one bottle has one unit, one batch has like around 786 different
Okay.
cartoons. Yes.
So basically, see, I kind of understand from your presentation, from the deck, how it works. It's okay. I don't need a demo as such. But in terms of your deck, you need to make a lot of changes for me to be able to present this to Venture Catalyst. It has to be like more concise, like within 20 slides. So maybe you can eliminate the workflow and all that so that you can show all that during a demo. What
You mean
we
pitch
need,
deck? Pitch deck, yeah. So we have a pitch deck of 15 pages.
so we need that one actually. We'll be able to share that, and we will need more detailed. We need more details on the background of the founder, which is I believe you. So we need more details on you, on your background, your education, your past experiences, and we need more background about your team, the other leadership members that you have named. So
Okay,
we
okay.
need more details about the team in terms of who are working on this full time, and like your full background, we need full background of the people in the leadership who are working full time. So I think this Syed Nabil is your head of business operations, so we need like full background about education and
Okay,
experience
we both are
about.
alumni of IIT Kharagpur.
That's okay. Matlab, I understand that, but for me to present your case, we will need all that on the deck.
Okay, okay. On the decks. Okay.
Yeah,
So
so we
so
need
this is
more detailed background about the founders on the deck. Even if you don't name your interns, it's fine. We don't really want to know about the interns. We are more concerned about the leadership. And I need to understand where you place yourself in the market against your competitors, because there are plenty of ERP softwares which are available. And it's a very, very competitive market. So, how you plan to differentiate yourself from your competitors is something that is going to be very important for the funder, for the investor.
okay. Okay. No, as of now, like we try to look like on Indian market, what we have seen is like we are looking and see there is like around 800 plus competitors. Okay, 800 competitors. So
So the people
our
who are closest to your kind of ERP
yeah, okay.
software manufacturing, in terms of you want to do agro and FMCG. So in the agro and FMCG ERP market, who your closest competitors are, and how you are planning to take them on, because if they already have an established market share, so you have to disrupt that for being able to establishing your, for being able to expand your revenues rapidly, right?
Yes,
So, I mean, these are the more important points from an investor perspective rather than giving a demo of the software. Because, I mean,
this is what.
I understand that your software is good, but then there's a lot of competition in the ERP market, right?
Yes, yes.
So the more important points become the background of the CXOs, the background, the go-to market strategy in terms of how you will compete with your peers, how you plan to differentiate the firm, how much you want to raise, what is your basically what instrument you want to issue, whether you want to take out equity, whether you want to issue convertible preference shares. All of these things are what we need more of on your deck.
Okay, so
what,
yes,
what
yes, okay.
valuation do you foresee your company to be at? How much stake are you willing to liquidate for raising funds? All of that information is something that I will need,
Okay, okay. So
rather than this description of your product. Because see, once these are more important points for an investor, once they are clear on the terms of investment, they will then want to know what the product is and how it is working, so that can be explained on a demo. There's no need to put all that information on
okay,
the
okay,
demo.
okay. So what I felt initially was like people maybe even like initial 10 slides, initial 10 slides of any PPT we have kept like every like for investor, and we have not kept it some like you mentioned few things like what is your go to market, so we need to elaborate it. Is it? Yes, elaborate it,
Yes,
make it more.
primarily because it's so the any uh, preventive factor for any investor would be the competition in the market, because there are many established players in the ERP market, right? So how you are distinguishing yourself from those members is going to be very, very important.
Okay, so what is like my question is like, see, like lots of people are people like whatever company we have got is like uh, they are like so we may like what we have converted is like we are trying to currently have like some sensor based something like humidity based, like in if I show you on software, so like we are like like we are on sustainability in the sense like see, condition monitoring.
So
It was
could you just share a deck about that information?
So like I have like what I have attached is like we have a like uh,
Why would you be more successful, say, compared to the your
okay,
closest?
yes. So we have like see what
Because
else we have.
an investor is very concerned about the growth and the returns that they want. So
Okay,
for
so
them, it's
your voice is not coming, so at least some.
hello.
Yes.
Huh.
See if
So one second. Let me finish. So see, from an investor perspective, it is very important to understand how the firm's returns are going to be and why they would succeed versus their competitors. So we really need all that information before I can proceed and present it to anybody else. I
okay.
need complete background about you, about your co-founder, about
No,
uh,
my question is like, see, I am the unique founder, means I am the alone founder, and like in order to register like LLP, we
huh?
require two people. So what has happened is like, see, our market research is really heavily distributed. We have distributed in business analysis and analyst, market research, product management. So we have everything well done. Okay, so it was
Hmm.
like Navil is somewhere like he's working as an employee. He's working as an employee. So we have kept his like since he's my friend. Okay, so I am the
Okay.
only like founder and CEO. And
So it's okay. That's not a problem. But
yes,
then you obviously have some kind of team, right? So
yes,
if you
team.
are the only founder, then it's okay. You give your full background. And if Nabil is your employee and he's working on this full time, so you can give his background and his
Yes,
uh,
of course.
experience details. So all of that we really need, because that is what is going to
Okay.
differentiate.
So my question is like, if you could like if you could put like I could note it somewhere. Okay, so I'm noting it. So if you could tell me like some like I could note like what else you want clarification. So first is
So this
like
is something, number one, founder details, background, education, work experience, everything. How do you compete with your closest competitors? How your company is differentiated in the market? What your funding requirements are? What is the instrument that you want to use for raising those funds? Everything, all these things. Basically, I think maybe you need to go through the deck about whoever helps you with the you need to go through with the deck of other startups, how they present to investors. You can Google and search that. You will probably even be able to find some ERP software companies who have raised funding. So maybe look at their deck, how they have presented the information, and maybe then you could look at raising funds.
okay. So okay. So what is happening is like we are using sensor based technology, and what till date we have found like 4 to 5 clients. So we have felt like they are not using any software. Okay, so uh, so so so,
Okay.
so what happened is like they are not using any software. They are what in India what they are doing normally is that like we are only targeting startups initially. So what is happening is like they don't have any software till date. Like it's been around 20 years of their firms and they do not have any ERP software. Okay,
Okay.
so what is so they have a good business. They are working it manually, or they are using somewhere like Flipkart or something to directly D2C, directly industry to on the other platform. So what is happening is like they are not able to create their brand, and our software is helping them to create a brand by giving them every data like humidity data, breaching with the temperature, because there in product there may be some temperature difference, reaction, radioactive reaction, isn't it?
Okay, so maybe all of these things you can put on a
So it
deck
is kept,
somewhere.
it is kept,
What
it is
are
kept.
differentiating factors are there? So maybe make the deck more concise so that we can
Concise,
share it.
okay, okay, concise. Like no,
Yeah?
it is kept there. My question is like, if you ask me, like if you could see my screen, then it is kept like it is somewhere kept here. Like what are the challenges? Like
Okay, so please add information about your background and your
yes,
everything
yes. So
about your.
whatever you told is like major challenges. Major challenges are like they are unique challenges normally. What is happening is like yes, what is happening is like most of the ERP.
Challenges, I understand how your solution is better than the others is what you need to put on the deck. Okay,
See,
so that
okay. So Parnita,
differentiating
like
factor needs to be there for any investor to be interested, because otherwise they will just dismiss it as another ERP software, and we have plenty ERP software.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm trying to tell you what an investor needs.
Okay, no, what is happening is like if you ask me like major challenges are what we have kept is a solution also. Like we have like if you see like we have multi-tenancy.
You need to present them as solutions, not as challenges. Then, no, you put the challenges in one slide, and then the next slide you can say how you are addressing those challenges. Which is why I'm telling you, maybe you can refer to decks of other companies that have raised funding, and formulate your own investment deck in accordance with that, so that we can then discuss about how to approach an investor. And I will also need to know what amount you're trying to raise and what instrument you want to use.
Instrument in the sense like instrument.
Equity, convertible preference shares, debt, what are you looking at?
Okay, okay. So no, we are looking for like currently a budget, like
Looking at?
looking at just raising funds. So you told
So
like
funds,
equity.
how? Well, like, what will you give the investor? Will you give them debt certificates? Will you give them equity shares? Will you give them convertible preference shares? How? Funds in what
So
form?
we are giving them like we are partnering with them. Like since we are LLP, we need to partner with them.
No, LLP partners will not accept. Partners, you always need to use a private limited company in case of
Okay,
fundraising.
as soon so the time we are going to get the investment, we are going to convert it into private limited because the transaction would be somewhere more than 40 lakhs, isn't it?
That you have to tell me what is the amount you're looking to raise. What
So
is the valuation you're
okay.
looking at?
We are trying to just like we are trying to just give them like a share of our company.
I understand shares, but what is the amount that you want from the investor?
Currently, we are looking for only 200K, dollar 200K.
So you have to put all that information in your deck, what you will use that fund for, all that information. Please refer to decks of some
Okay,
startups
okay,
that
okay,
have
okay,
raised
okay,
funds,
okay.
yeah?
Sure, sure, sure. Thank you for your
So
suggestion.
that we have more clarity.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.